The following video is presented by Or Grows. That is stupid. But anyways, hey, I put these temperatures and this stuff on this little screen recording because I can't keep track and I don't write a lot of shit down. I should, but I start out doing it and then I just screw it. But here you go, 102 degrees right now, so it's rather cool out. I mean, literally, it's pretty nice in the garage. 5% humidity is sucks. Check the 113 Sunday tomorrow or whenever it is. No, that's Sunday. Today's Thursday. 115. So we're in the triple digits. So that's why I do this. All right. Have a great one. I'll go out and I'm gonna video or whatever. You'll see later. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's what is it? Thursday. It's about 102 degrees out. I put that little screen record of the temperatures out there. I explained it on that that way I can remember what the temperature and humidities were. Yeah, what the temperatures and humidities were for that particular day. Yeah, I'm having a good time out here in the Grow Eyes. It's only on the hot days when it's 115 out, it'll get up to 103 in here, 104. I can go about 15 minutes. This old man can last out here about 15 minutes, 20. The highest he got last summer is 106 inside the Grow Eyes, as I call it, Grow Eyes. I'm going to head out. I'm going to show you the plants. They're in 5-gallon buckets. There's 3 of them. I have a 5-gallon bucket with some little crazy black girls in it. I might show you those. The 3 that I have in the 5-gallon pots are on a wagon, so I can move them into the sun. I've been giving them as much daylight as I possibly can. So I move the cart around, and if I notice any changes in the leaf and drooping or anything like that, I'll move it around. But so far they've done quite well. Now understand that these plants have gone through temperatures of 115 degrees. I'm going to put up a video from last summer, June, I think it was June 21st, and you'll see I had 5 of them growing out there that started in full sun, ended in full sun at 118 degrees when I harvested them on that particular day. So I'll probably do that, might add it to this one, it'll make it kind of lengthy, but the only way I can do it, YouTube won't let you repost, I don't think. So what I'll do is I'll just screen record the whole thing, and I want you to take a look at those plants. I might just do that portion of that, but it's a pretty short video. I think it's over less than 2 minutes. Anyhow, I'm going to head out there, and that's the story. They're in 5-gallon buckets, Fox Farms Happy Frog soil. I use indoors. I grew these plants inside, and they were very nice. They're Caribbean Dream and 2 Caribbean Dreams and 1 Blue Dream. Those 3 were the biggest plants I had in the tent. That was the first grow I had done outside of Crazy Girl, my own. All right, here we are, and there they are. Here we are, and there they are. Oh, it's beautiful out right now. Check them out. Totem poles. Now, if I put that other video from last summer on, those were Crazy Girl strains. There's a Blue Dream. That's a Caribbean Dream. Those are Vincas. But yeah, we're gonna do that. I watered them this morning. I'm using Fox Farms Trio. Gave them a little more this morning. Yeah, look at the wind blowing them. They're kind of cool looking though. I like them. I don't know what's going on over there. I hear a whole bunch of noise. You know, now remember, these have been 115 freaking degrees. You know, if you look at that last 2 that I brought in, the Dream Rider and the Caribbean Dream, were totem poles. The one that I got out of the cat box, which is right there, it's a mess, was about an 18-inch cola. And I'll tell you what, it was good shit. All right. There you have it. Let's go look at some other things over here. I want to see what that noise is. Yeah. Hibiscus. Nice orange ones. They're in the shade, so they're a good sized plant. There's the red ones. My wife takes care of these. I mean, she picks yellow leaves off them every day. We do have to put the umbrella up for this one, pink. And this one was dead, almost. She brought that one back. She's a good gardener. Good gardener. And here we have what I call juniors, Vinca. I don't know if you can see it back there. We have 2 kittens and their mom, Stray, that uses the cat box. If you've watched any of my videos, you know what I'm talking about. Hey, look at that. All right, I'm going to turn this off. Hey, can't go without the happy frogs. Having a good time, always. All right, one last look here. This camera may shut off, so right in the middle of what I'm saying might just turn off. But yeah, I'm just going to leave them right here. They're soaking it in. And like I said, there's a big difference. And this strain is really good stuff. So even though it's outdoors, whoops, going the wrong direction here. All right, you guys have a great day out there. It's going to be hot out here. Loving it. Hey, good afternoon. It's June 21st. It's about 2:15. It's 113 degrees right now. I don't know, about 12% humidity. I'll check. I'll put a screenshot of the temp right now. Just did it a second ago. Just got back out here. I'm looking pretty good. Stinky. I mean, they're real stinky. All right, let's go look at that plant 6 in the tomato patch. Hey, she's hanging in there. Look at that. All right. All right. Man, look at that one. Look at that. Looking good. That's a decent sized bush right there. Whoops, what happened here? Anyhow, in the shade right now. Just got through watering the tomatoes and pictures of the 113, 17% on the patio.